There's a blizzard coming on, how I'm wishing I was home. For my pony's lame and he can't hardly stand. Listen to that norther sigh, if we don't get home we'll die. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on her mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. It's only 5 more miles to Marianne. That wind's howling, and it seems mighty like a woman screams. And we'd best be moving faster if we can. Dan, just think about that barn with that hay so soft and warm. For it's only 3 more miles to Marianne. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Dan, get up, you ornery cuss, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best that we stop a while and rest. For it's still 100 yards to Marianne. It's still 100 yards to Marianne. Late that night the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He'd have made it, but he just couldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him there on the plains, his hands froze to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. When you are gone, there's no fun with the crowd. I find myself crying, even crying out loud. I could find fun, but I'd still be alone. 'Cause my world simply stands still when you are gone. When you are gone, my heart knows it well, and it just won't believe these stories I tell. Just can't get used to this being alone, and there's nothing to live for when you are gone. and it just won't believe all these stories I tell. Just can't get used to this being alone, and there's nothing to live for when you are gone. When you are when a record starts to spinning and love words make a song, I think of a million sweethearts, but only one I could own. Today your life is music, and famous they say you will be. Darling, sometimes write a lonesome waltz for me. Put in some pretty love words, as fresh as the summer rain. I'll furnish plenty teardrops and pretend you're mine again. And if someday you find you're just a used to be, please come back and dance this lonesome waltz for me. When a story's told in music for millions to hear its cry, there's always someone lonesome who'll hang their head and cry. A waltz so soft and touching, a love so cold and lost. Darling, please, for old time's sake, let's dance the lonesome waltz.
Moonlight and roses
Bring wonderful memories of you.
My heart reposes
In beautiful thoughts so true.
June light discloses
Love's olden dream sparkling anew. of you. June light discloses love's olden dream sparkling